Hi, I'm going to show you around my mudroom in our new house. It's a little bit bigger than our old mudroom, and it was like our porch, so we just come in and it was pretty small. So when we built our new house, we really wanted to have a good mudroom. So I built this. I don't really know the exact dimensions of it. It's probably 10 foot wide by 12 feet deep maybe. So yeah, it's much bigger than our old mudroom, but I'll give you a little bit of a tour here. Okay, walking in from the door from the outside, there'll be a deck out there, but there's not one there yet. We can walk into the house over there, but this is our mudroom. So our big freezer's in here. It's got all of our coats and shoes. I built these cubbies. Each of us has our own. I never realized how many sweatshirts and coats we had until we did this. But everybody's got their own space. We can, put our stuff, shoes down there, a little place to sit to take your shoes off, hats and gloves. And so also in here is our water heaters. So the white one here in the front, that's for our domestic hot water. It's a tankless. It works pretty good. We can take several showers at a time, or on our dishwasher, washing machine, and we don't run out of hot water. So that's kind of nice. Runs on propane. I do have an outdoor wood stove that I may in the future hook up to it. I'm not sure yet about that. The one in the back there, that is our radiant floor heat system. So it's basically just a tankless hot water heater, runs on propane, and then these red tubes, they go into the concrete floor, and it's the big grid work in the concrete, and it just pumps water throughout the floor. And when it runs, it's heating the water from the propane, and yeah, that's how we got our heat. And there's a thermostat, like a normal system. There's a thermostat. It shuts off and turns on when it needs to. It's pretty efficient, I think. So these cubbies I built, they're only 12 inches wide, but they're plenty room for all of our stuff. Each person, like I said, each person has their own. I also put a little coat rack over here that, well, I got my coat hanging on it now, but it'd be more for like guests coming over, or somebody can just hang a coat up there. And we also have another little boot rack there. We have so many shoes and boots, it's amazing. But then our electric panel box is here too. So, oh yeah, over there also is our pressure tank for our well. So that's our mudroom. It's, like I said, it's much bigger than the mudroom in our old house, our porch. It's nice. We can come in here, and it's got the same flooring as the rest of the first floor of the house. So it's nice, and there's no transition from room to room. It's easy to clean. If it gets muddy, or in the wintertime it would get snow and get wet, it's easy to clean, mop up. So yeah, that's our mudroom. It works out pretty good for us. It's nice and big, and then I guess everybody's got a place for their own stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.